This is my third Panasonic window AC, so no brainer that the product is very good. But this is the first time I bought it online. Amazon delivery was on time as promised. Got the AC within 24 hours. The fitting was done again promptly the next day of delivery. The person who came to fit the AC knew his job and did a good job. But I had to remind him about filling the gaps with silicone, which he conveniently forgot. Didn't want to do. Then he did it, but with clay and not silicone as shown in the video. Noise levels of the is low. Overall very happy. Value for money. Fast cooling. Good AC, cools fast, not much noise. There is no dislike about this product, only one thing: very good and very good etc. Nice cooling and best energy save AC on this price range. Well, it's worth it. The AC was installed on time by professionals and its cooling is really considerable. Happy with the purchase. This product is efficient and functioning beyond expectations. Delivery was on time and packaging was good. Air conditioner is very good. Working very well and cools very fast. Power consumption is quite low. Great product. This is my third Panasonic window AC, purchased during last 2 years. Brand matters. Good window AC, very low sound and so far quite efficient. Bought a month ago. Click link in description for more reviews.